life has been lifing, okay? And that's no excuse, but hey y'all, welcome to my channel. God. Hey y'all, if you're new to my channel, okay. It's definitely 10:30 and I'm late. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. It's your girl BREYONNA J, and I'm back with another motherfucking video. That was the one. Yep, that was it. Today is Saturday, August 26th, still my birthday month. We are on our way to get our hair done. This video is sponsored, baby. All right, so I decided to do a little day in my life as a influencer, as a college student, as a employee, as a mom of 2 cats, as a bad bitch, you know what I'm saying? All of the above. So we're just gonna vibe out. So my camera is broken, so I have to be extra careful vlogging today. Anyway, we're on our way to get our hair. Oh, I gotta turn around. I forgot the wig. Wow, that's so crazy. Like, I'ma see y'all in a minute. Hold on. Okay, we're back, y'all. I had my double-sided tape and my scissors, and I low-key fixed my camera. I wish y'all could understand, like, what I mean when I say my camera's broke. And I got the wig. This video is sponsored by Blackmoon hair. We getting their wig installed, and it's finna be lit. So overall, just a little run up of what I was saying earlier. Today's video is going to be a day of my life. I do want to explain to y'all why I've been gone and what's been going on, because yeah, my next upcoming drops, like what videos I have planned and everything like that. So just bear with me. I'm probably gonna have a little chit chat and talk to y'all about that after my hair appointment. 13 minutes away. I'll be there at 10:51. So about 20 minutes past the time I was really supposed to be there. But it's okay, because like I said, she late though. So yeah, I'll see y'all soon. Upside down.
But it's no reason why me, who not her best friend or none of that, do it more
than y'all, yeah.
Hey, like what? Girl, I'd be so bad if my friends do me like that's my birthday. Yeah, I'd never come on a trip with me.
Yeah, no, for real. It shouldn't even be like everybody's supposed to be like, yeah. Why are you on a trip?
Yeah, like why you
like, so guys, we hit him with the 4 braids today. She did her thing. I don't know if you can see, but this video install, vlog video install is giving raw, uncut, because we're not finna do all that music shit, montage shit. We're not doing that today. We getting a conversation in the video, and we getting these angles. And yeah, but the real on the TikTok, that's gonna be cute though, okay? That's all I know. Oh my gosh, I love when I'm bald. I just love it so much. Yes,
and I never really realized what it feels like.
Yeah,
I got it.
Right. So guys, we're back and we're better. We finna let this wig over here dry, and then we're gonna put it on my head because it's glueless. We got those clips of the glue, but we don't need those clips of the glue no more. Okay. So yeah, it's gonna be super duper cute. And I'm excited. And I'm going out tonight too. That's gonna be even more cute. Hold on. Question of the day. Do glueless wigs, when you get a real wig and that shit be lifting, does it lift like that?
I don't know. I never did glueless on myself. And the girl who got Glueless, like,
where'd she go? You know, she don't, right, you don't know what she be doing. We gotta call her, y'all. We finna call the girl with the Glueless. Hey y'all, back again. Still blow drying the hair. That's the update. I think we're gonna do, where that picture go? Okay, so this is the first picture. I'm gonna do this little braid with the beach wave or body wave, whatever. And then the second picture is this to give you another idea. Super cute, but obviously with this color and length. It's long, baby. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay guys, so we are sewing the cap down. We're gonna film it. Let's see. We'll do this way. Oh yeah. Perfect. We're geniuses, you know. Teamwork makes the dream work. This is the behind the scenes of how to get a good real video. So make sure you're liking, commenting, and subscribing. Share the video. I really just be trolling. Like when I say that shit, I don't, well, I mean it, of course, but yes, like I just say it. It's so funny. Make sure you, like when you know how some YouTubers be like, we're back with another motherfucker. Like I don't vlog like that. Like what am I, a nigga? No. Like I'm good. And they put in the little fire on the screen like on some King Sis shit. But I be trolling so bad and it be so funny. I be like, it's your girl BREYONNA J and I'm back with another motherfucking video. But it's like, it's just so catchy. Like I would never act like that in real life, but it just be so catchy. Go ahead and wrap that thread, shorty. Yeah, period. Look at that. Look at that thread wrapping technique. Like damn, my hidden be going to like spams, like spam accounts, like people that really aren't real accounts that are under 20 followers. But then I have my requests, and then I have my top requests, and then I have hidden requests. Like why is there 3? Right. And every single one of them bullshit. So what's the point? Why don't you just put them all in one folder? Because they're all stupid. Like they really be so dumb. Scalp.
We love HD cap.
We love an HD cap, baby.
It's how my TikTok's going.
Alright, the ASMR TikTok. Wow, look at you. You look so happy in the back. Say hey guys. So we took the lace band off and this is what it's giving. Scalp BREYONNA. Now we're hot combing it down as you can see. Oops, sorry. I'm getting my TikTok done and my cap cut. I never showed y'all the cap cut, so let me show you now.
Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Vicky T, off the leash. I feel like a dog, I can't have a flea. Keep it P, never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, make up bitty clean, boost your self-esteem. I get tired in the moment, so I feel like baby king. Once it's black, step on something, so I dress like baby B. Bitch, I'm cold, pussy ass, so now you know it's good.
Okay, that's all we have right now. And the song's gonna be better once again. Okay, we're putting some edges on the hoe. We got some edges. We finna do this little TikTok again. Boom. Get some foundation right here. And we just gonna boom, boom, bam. Cover up this acne a little bit. Done.
No one's better.
Right. story of how I got my camera stolen out of my car with some Beat headphones, and it sucked. My grandmother got me a new camera, but I don't even use that camera no more. So. But it still just blows me how she got the cameras in the inside of the garage. Like, I would never understand that.
And Paris.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Was an amazing deal. So, yeah. It was cheaper. It's cheaper to go from like New York or Miami. You know, flights in New York or Miami can be like super cheap. And it would like, you know, be less. Because in Atlanta, like the flights are crazy expensive to go to like Dubai. Anywhere. They're usually like the plane ticket to Cabo was like $800 or something. Damn. And I was like, this is only Mexico. Like, I don't want to pay that for Mexico.
Yeah, no, that's crazy.
The most I ever spent on a flight was Dubai, but that wasn't even a lot. So
yeah, my best, I was about to say,
like, damn.
I was about to say, my best friend know how to do a French tip. And she don't even do hair for, well, she do hair now a little bit, but she wouldn't be doing hair, like, she just knows how to braid.
This hair is way longer than my thought.
Yeah. Okay, guys, I'll BRB. This is the almost final look. The braid is eating down right now, like eating down. D to the O to the W to the N, eating down bad. So we did these beach wave curls, whatever you want to call it. She's eating. The girl's up, chomp, chomp, chomp. Like, she's chomping right now. She's chomping. She's chomping. I'm gonna start saying that. She's chomping. You're chomp right now.
What you want? Oh, I got this. Put it in the song. Alright. You can get it. You can get it. You can get it. You can get it. And I know you. What you want? Oh, I got this. Put it in the song. Alright.
I love leaving this girl's shop. She be eating down. I'm sitting on it and shit. It's so long. Ow! What the fuck? That shit hot as hell. My content I made for this is literally eating down. Like, it's all so cute. It really is. I just gotta find some good music and we gonna be good. One second, I'm finna finish editing this video and I'm gonna come back and then show y'all. Okay, y'all, so this is my reel. It's 30 seconds. I showed y'all earlier, so I'm finna just start.
Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Vicky T. Off the leash, I feel like a dog. I can have the flea. Keep it pee. Never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, make up pretty clean. Boost your self-esteem. I get tired in the moment, so I feel like baby king. Cause it's black, step on something, so I dress like baby B. Bitch, I'm cold, pussy ass.
So cute, girl. So cute, girl. And then this here go my TikTok. So cute. The TikTok was a little stiff, but that's okay. I would talk to y'all about like everything, because I know I said I was gonna have my little chit chat after I get my hair done, but I have to be on the way to Sam to drop off some t-shirts. So I think when I go home, I'm gonna charge my camera up a little bit while I'm looking for like whatever, but I don't want to film right now so that it can be like closer to full than me keep filming and using my battery, because I don't have a lot of time to charge my camera. So I'm finna head home, then we're gonna head to Cumberland, and then when I get there we're gonna get lunch. That's what's going on. This is a very, very raw and uncut version of a day in my life, so let's get to it. Okay, look at this cute little car. It's the guys driving on the opposite side of the street, like the, y'all know what I'm trying to say, but so cute. We're on our way to Cumberland Mall. I had to pick up some t-shirts for Sam for her clothing brand to get like tested out on today or whatever, because she finally finalized her design. Damn. I went back, got some water. I done forgot the shirts. The reason I came here, I almost forgot the shirts, but I had to go back to get something else for her anyway. So I was like, damn, I'll just go. I got to charge my battery for like 2.2 seconds, literally. I was not there for long. So we're on our way to Cumberland. When I get there, I'll see y'all. But besides that, I'm just driving, looking cute. So yeah, that's the update. I'll see y'all when I get there. I'll see you when I, hey, broken pussy. That's my shit. I'm finna play that. I look so pretty. Shut the door. Yeah. Who else water would it be? Who else water would it be? Okay. So I think because it's so hot, the tape on my camera is not sticking no more. So I have to hold my thing up, or else it will fall and break. So I made it to the mall. It's hot as balls out here, and I barely got clothes on. I mean, I got a long skirt on, but shit. So yeah, I'm not gonna vlog unnecessary shit because camera's dying. I got some food. I got gyro and wings, but I didn't get gyro. Just wings in Philly. So yeah, not finna eat on camera because my camera's dead. So I'm here at Ari's house, finna pick up a freaking box. Yes, a box. Ari's up the street. She finna meet me here to let me in. I'm finna take a bite of this Philly. I don't got no napkins, so can't be doing too much. But if I can't finish telling this story now, I'm gonna continue it when I can finish. So basically, y'all, life has been lifing, okay? And that's no excuse, but I work 2 jobs, YouTube being the 3rd. I'm a full-time student, fall, spring, and summer semesters. Shit is not easy. I had to move out and find a new apartment in 4 days before I left for my birthday trip. Everything's just been everywhere, okay? So there's been a lot going on, and I just, to be able to edit, it's really like, y'all, I film back to 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 back, but it's the editing, and I came this close to having someone edit my videos, and I just can't do it. Like, I just can't do it. I want to lock in, and I want to do it myself. I want every video on my channel during my come up to be my work. Like, I don't want to just pay someone to do my work. Like, it's just like somebody could do good, but it's not gonna be what I would do because you're not me. You know what I mean? Like, there's certain things I would want to make certain ways, whatever. With that being said, I am going to stop putting less effort into my editing. Sounds crazy, but by that I mean like the little details that I be doing, I'm finna stop, because that's really what the time consuming part. Like, I'm gonna stop clipping out every single thing. I'm gonna be more lenient, I think I should say, with how I edit, because I edit to the T, and it's just not, it's not needed, because I be watching other people's videos and they don't be editing at all for real. So it's like, I'm not finna hop on that wave. I respect all them YouTubers that can just post and not edit. That shit, bye. Okay? So anyway, that's basically the runaround of why I haven't been posting. It's been like a month, and this happened last month too, and I'm not fucking with it. So I'm really about to just rapid edit these 5 videos I got, and y'all gonna see this today, y'all. So Well, not today, but you know what I mean. Like, y'all gonna see this before you see all of them videos. And those videos include my birthday, Houston. I finished Houston, but I just have to add the music. My birthday, Houston, my birthday prep, visiting Maryland. Are you dumb? That video is about to go crazy. When I say crazy, I mean crazy. Like, what? And my birthday, like, are we playing around right now or what? Like, are we playing around right now? And if you've been rocking with me since day one, you know that my birthday prep last year did numbers, okay? And I want my birthday prep this year to do numbers, even though it was a lot different than last year's. I still, you know what I'm saying? Like, was it the birthday luck? I don't know. I'm gonna start my birthday prep next, so hopefully I can get that out fast, start Maryland, and then do my birthday. But I really want my birthday out before August is over, but it's just not happening. I'm gonna give myself like September 5th. I don't know if that's happening either, because I got a lot of papers due September 5th. Like, whoa. And when I first moved into my apartment, my Wi-Fi wasn't working for like a week, so like I wouldn't have been able to upload anyway. I mean, I was editing, but Lord, so yeah. Matter of fact, now that I'm sitting here, I'm finna upload the footage I have from this video right now, because my camera is about to die. So now that you're kind of caught up with what's been going on with me, I really do apologize. If you still liking, commenting, and subscribing, I fuck with you the long way, okay? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tune into that girl on that girl if you didn't know. See you.
I am on my way to this burger place down the street. My cousin is actually in Atlanta right now, which is like so random and like never ever happens. So I seen him yesterday, but I was at work. I'm gonna go meet up with them real quick to say what's up. And I thought I should bring y'all to show you the food I eat. I'm not going to do too much because my camera was not all the way charged when I left the house. I've probably been home for like 30 minutes. Ooh. Yeah, I've probably been home for about 30 minutes, so I'm gonna head back out and get some more food. And then come back home, finish charging my camera, finish editing, and then head out with Danny. So cute. So where we at with it, y'all? Thank you. Aw, so nice. Okay, y'all, so I'm back home. My cousin went to the wrong location, and I wasn't finna drive there. So I'm gonna plug my camera up. They might slide here after. Do some editing and then clean up and then get ready for my night. Okay, y'all. Hey, so I'm back in Reflections. Boo. We finna, well, we're at Danny's friend Walter's house right now. What we doing? We pre-gaming for his birthday. He just turned 12, so it was his birthday, blah, woody woo. I just wanted to update y'all. I was supposed to talk to y'all when I was at Danny's house, but I didn't. So we finna go in here and take some shots. I just wanted y'all to have like a overview of what's going on and be like, whose house is she at? What is she doing? Is she okay? They kidnapped her or what? I think they did. Okay, you ready? Whatever.
Y'all, my birthday in like 11 days. Right now it's Walter's birthday.
Right now it's actually still my birthday. Sorry to break it.
It's not her birthday no more. It's not her birthday no more.
It's August 20th.
It's not her birthday no more.
7th. So yeah.
Come on.
Almost not even 10 days yet. So fuck you talking about? Not even 10 days yet. Like, it's still my birthday.
So close.
It's still my birthday.
No, it's not.
If it hasn't even hit 10 days, I think it's 30 days.
I mean, to you.
Hell yeah. The
Yeah.
fuck?
And to me, it's my birthday.
If it was September 15th, you would say the same shit.
I'm not gonna lie. Once August 5th start, it's my birthday too. Like, does that make sense? Yes, because that's a month to my birthday. Like, my birthday early in September. It's not in September. So it's like I gotta celebrate early.
But you missed. It was my girlfriend's birthday.
Oh, that's good for your girlfriend.
Thinking about my
Yeah, that's good for you and your girlfriend. I was not on that list. Come on.
I don't want to take this? You pour me Esteban?
Yeah, I don't know. No, I think that's Casa.
No, it's definitely Esteban.
It ain't meant to be noticed.
Definitely not getting it.
See, I can let him vote.
What we doing? You ain't catch your body. I can tell you your 25. Until we catch it. Who is she did. I told her.
Oh, this light is too much.
Where's your other friend?
We in the car. We're on the way back to the spot. I need to go home now.
I'm gonna bring it. I'm gonna come down and get you.
Alright, make sure she got
I'm a bitch. I'm allowed to be sassy,
Why you
nigga. You
calling
a
yourself a
grown
bitch?
ass man. You
You're
a
not a
grown
bitch.
ass man. Get some
Why you
fucking
calling yourself a bitch
balls.
and not a bitch?
Cause I can. I'm a girl. I can do whatever the
Alright, go
fuck
ahead,
I
but you
want.
go ahead, do what you want. It don't matter. I'm just giving my opinion. You can listen to
But
it.
guess what?
It don't matter.
Guess what?
I can give my
Watch
opinion,
out, watch
and you
out.
have the
Guess
choice to
what?
listen to it.
No, no,
That's
guess
all of
what?
us. Are you recording?
Guess what? Guess what? Cause
Are
I
you
didn't
really
ask
recording? Hey, look, why you recording the
I didn't
argument?
ask for his
Look at him.
opinion. I'm gonna hold my hand so bad, cause guess what? I'm a girl. I'm allowed to be sassy. He a nigga. Grow some fucking balls. Go build a house,
You
bitch.
You get some motherfucking
Go fucking plumb
build
it.
a house. Why the fuck I gotta build a house? It's 2023. I gotta pay for a nigga to build a house. Why the fuck would I go build a house myself? What type of shit? I don't have time to go fucking build a house. What the fuck? I got other shit to do.
Why would I go build a house in
It's not 19.
Actually,
It's not 1630. We're not moving out west. I don't need to build a house.
I don't give a
Yeah.
fuck. Regardless, it's not about
But you in a house on the what? What you in a house with?
It's not about you. It's about the fact that you can't.
Where you in the house at? Where you in the house at?
You can't do it, babe. You
Can't do it
build a
what?
house. You
I can
can't
build a
even
house if I want to. It's if I have time.
build a brick.
Oh God, I can do whatever.
Oh my God.
No matter what it is, I can do whatever I
He's so
want.
passionate. He's
God.
so passionate.
If I put my mind to it, I'ma do it. But I don't have, you hear me? I have other shit I have to do. I don't need to put my mental capacity in it.
Tell me one manly thing you know how to
I don't need
do.
to
Tell
do
me
that.
one manly thing you know how to do. Tell me one
I
manly
know how to
thing.
change a tire. Yeah.
I'm not arguing. How to make up? How to make up? I'm not dead ass.
When the water disposal fucked up, I can fix that.
Okay, period.
Nigga said he can do
I can
plumbing.
do like 2-3 things.
Yeah, he can do plumbing.
I can fix the toilet sometimes.
I'm too drunk for this, y'all. Y'all gotta stop. This is too funny.
No, all this cause
Oh my God, that car is going so fast.
Not for real. Like he's sassy. Why you
Play
being
some
sassy?
music, bro. You play some music.
Like, what the fuck is going on? Bro, I had to pull the camera out, bro.
Almost from the pain.